Do you like butter cakes, but without all the carbs? Do you like peppermint chocolate frosting? Well, you should definitely try our peppermint chocolate Lamingtons. These low-carb raspberry butter cakes are topped with a sugar-free peppermint chocolate frosting that's sure to get your mouth watering. It is a dessert that's going to be asked surely by your family and friends time and time again. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them to healthier versions. Please stick around to the end to discover more of our amazing, healthy dessert and other recipes. This Australian and New Zealand-based dessert is practically guiltless, and it melts in your mouth. They are perfect with tea, coffee, or as a standalone dessert. So let's get started.